Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. In today's video we'll be unboxing this Ninja 3-in-1 food processor. Let's get started. The first thing first is the manual and the recipe book. So I'll go ahead to remove the stores inside the carton and explain it in detail later. So I ordered this from Amazon. So this is the motor base, and see how big it is. And this is the smoothie cup for making smoothie. This is our 2.1 liter bowl. This is the dough blade. And this is the bowl, 1.8 liter bowl for mixed chopping, slicing and shredding item. So this is a plate like stuff we can use for our slicing and our shredding. Guys, one good thing about this product, this motor base, so this is the cup for the smoothie cup. In case you don't want to transfer to a cup, you can just cover it up and use it. It's one good thing about this motor base, it has this the bottom has this plastic rubber like stuff that stick into any platform you place on it. And this motor base has an auto IQ setting. Once you put any of the bowls on top of it, it's on and you on it, it shows you the button you are supposed to press. It is left for you to make your choice. It has a blend, mass blend, chop, puree mix for mixing your dough. It also has a manual button, low, medium, high and pulse in case you don't want to use the auto IQ setting. This is the base I was talking about. So this is our 1.8 liters bowl for chopping, for mixing your dough, for this is the dough blade for chopping, for mixing your dough, and for slicing and shredding. So I'm going to show you how you can insert each of them. So the blade I just removed is the chopping blade. So I just put in the dough blade in case you want to mix your chin dough and any of your doughs. Just pour in the ingredients there, put it on top of the machine, and on it start mixing. So once you on it, the mix button will on up. The IQ setting we indicate the mix bowl, so it's left for you to press the mix button and it will start mixing. At the same time, if you want to slice or shred any of your item, food or vegetable, so you put in the disc like blade. Each phase has different function. Each phase that you put in that is facing up is either slicing or it's shredding. So like I said, this is our smoothie cup. Once you put in any of the bowls, the auto IQ setting the machine has automatically indicates the button you are supposed to use for the cup, and it's left for you to make your choice. And this is the cup I told you about. If you don't want to transfer your smoothie into a cup, you can just use the cover and cover it up and enjoy your smoothie through the cup. So this is our 2.1 liter bowl for blending your moi, your tomatoes and a lot more. So if you want to open it, just press the release button as indicated on the top and it will open. And if you want to grind, cover it and make sure that the hand is well covered. If it is not well covered, the machine, the motor base will not detect it. It will not even grind. Yeah, so it has an opening like a funnel like mouth. You can use and pour out your batter that you've already finished grinding. So guys, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell button. I'll be dropping the next video on testing this food processor. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in my next video. Bye.